Mr. Chief Secretary, what is the problem? You don't even entertain the call of the Chief Justice.
Milord, there was no call made by any officer from Calcutta. From 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. I was in flight.
Mr. Chief Secretary, the phone calls in all probability came in the evening after you had deboarded from your flight to Delhi.
What kind of credibility this West Bengal bureaucracy has brought to this? Some calculated move. It was not an ordinary emotional reaction by the people. It was definitely a motivated, a pre-planned, and something deeply instigated.
But I've given the compliance affidavits. I'll tender them. Your Lordship, they've already been submitted. This is the two affidavits Your Lordship wanted in compliance for the DGP and for the Chief Secretary, Lord. They are both here.
No,
They are here, Lord. They're all here. Your Lordship asked.
Mr. Chief Secretary, what is the problem? You don't even entertain the call of the Chief Justice.
Milord, there was no call made by any officer from Calcutta to my phone. On 1st of April, I had come to Delhi for a meeting. And from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m., I was in flight. And till the evening, no call had come to me, Milord.
Mr. Chief Secretary, the phone calls in all probability came in the evening after you had deboarded from your flight to Delhi. It would have been extremely helpful for the Chief Justice and the High Court administration if you had been kind enough to share your mobile number and other particulars.
Milord, my mobile number had been shared, but that number didn't have.
That number is mostly switched off, Mr. Chief Secretary.
Milord, that number is not mostly switched off, Milord. That number is more secure and its connectivity is better, Milord. That's why during the attendance.
So high that the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court or the High Court administration cannot access. So please lower yourself a bit so that ordinary minions like the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court can access you.
At least we can have access to the
Chief Justice of the Chief Secretary.
Not if.
Milord, I'm extremely apologetic regarding this miscommunication. I didn't have
write a letter of apology to the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court.
This, if you don't expect at least from the Chief Secretary that you refuse to acknowledge the Chief Justice of the High Court to whom for no reason, and it's only because of sheer failure of your civil administration, your person sitting on your side, the police administration. It is sheer failure of both of you and your administration that we gave this authority to the judicial officer.
And because of your lack of communication, the Election Commission of India is kept in the dark. You don't communicate either with the High Court administration, neither do you communicate with the Election Commission of India, which is entrusted with giving directions to you in cases of emergency like this. And this missing link creates so much of difficulty and disturbance in the state.
But if I may, on 2nd, he was before the Election Commission in Delhi.
We are aware of the fact that you have been recently posted.
His
That is
phone
not the
is
point.
inaccessible.
The facilities of your institution,
I'll respond to that.
direct office of the Director General of Police, the office of the Chief Secretary. What kind of credibility this West Bengal bureaucracy has brought to this? Why the entire state is seen as if the politics is being played even in the secretariat or in offices. Please help in improving that image and do something whatever is appropriate at least at this stage. We really don't want to take it. It is not something that senior most officers should invite the adverse comments or any penal action from us.
Milord.
We don't enjoy and we don't like this kind of undesirable or avoidable kind of orders. But if you compel us, then of course we have to perform our duty.
Milord.
In fact, Lord, I must say both they were appointed on
The
16th March.
the Director General of Police, 11:30, the Chief Justice is telling me on phone
There is a limit to
waiting for the
inaccessibility.
Director General of Police to arrive at
We
his
were
gate.
informed, the Honorable Chief Justice was informed.
Lord,
That for
if I may say
hours
so-
on end,
if I may
efforts
say
were
so.
made to
No, Lord.
get access to
If I
the
may
Chief
say so, Lord.
Secretary. Even the Home Secretary is unable to
Yes, no,
contact the
Lord,
Chief
Lord, may I
Secretary.
just say this, Lord, there's a WhatsApp group, in fact,
Mr. Luthra, please don't defend this.
I'm
This
not
country,
defending, Lord. I'm just
unfortunately,
telling you,
has a very strong, obstinate character of bureaucracy, and it is not in this state because now there is a lot of turmoil that we are facing it. In other states also, the things are not good.
I understand.
The way they are being pampered, unfortunately.
What has fallen from my Lord Justice Bagchi is not something is very clear, Lord. It'll be,
Please, whatever way you at least have a word of apology before the Chief Justice and try to redeem what you have done
it'll be
in the
done.
past.
It'll be done. It'll be done, Lord. That's,
Say, in,
Lord, all the officers are here, Lord.
in compliance to the order dated, in compliance to para 13, in bracket Roman 7, the Chief Secretary and Director General of Police are present online. They have submitted their explanation affidavit also, which are taken on record. We hope that they have realized the we hope and trust that both the officers have now well understood the sense of responsibility and the manner in which they ought to have, they were expected to respond and provide assistance to Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court when 7 judicial officers were made hostages on 1st April 2026. Subject to the report that may be sent by Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court, we do not propose any further action against the officers to whom notices were issued by the above mentioned order.
Grateful, Lord. Lord, the district magistrate and the SP are also online.
We have direct the Chief Secretary, former Director General of Police, and the entire police, civil and police administration of State of West Bengal to extend full assistance and support to the
Election Commission.
to Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court till the entire process of SIR is complete or the appeals by the appellate tribunals are decided.
Milord, the DM
Milord,
and
one
the
more
SP are
question,
also
the-
here, Milord.
Yeah,
The
DM and
DM and the SP are also here, Milord. They were present, Milord, for most of the time, Milord, managing the
They were
situation.
watching. They were watching.
Milord,
You are watching,
Mr. Gupta, you don't know the situation. When the registry contacted the SP, he said that what can I do? Women are there. You asked me, we will be killing the women. This is the degree of awareness of intelligence in the district. This is the extent of their responsibility in maintaining law and order.
Commissioner of
What to
Police,
say?
Yes.
Commissioner of Police was not there at 11 PM, around 11, maybe around 11:30 PM. The Chief Justice informed me that he is on his way to there, 11:30 PM. Director General of Police was on his way to go to the Chief Justice. The incident had started taking place at 3:30 PM. By 11:30 PM, you can imagine what must have happened, and it can be seen from the photographs and the video clip we have seen it.
Mr. Gupta,
Hundreds of
Mr.
people are
Gupta,
allowed to
it was
assemble there.
only because of the timely intervention of the Honorable Chief Justice of India, something very unfortunate or untoward was avoided.
Milord, very true, Milord,
Yes, yes. We are really grateful, my lord, as a,
for the intervention.
yes, for the intervention of your lord.
Grateful.
We'll take upon, then we'll see, that because they are ongoing.
Yes, my lord's
process,
convening.
Because we need to now, assistance of NIA from, at least for
Yes.
identifying these persons. And we'll take upon 13th for the timing, but if your investigation is still going on, you need not to submit any report. You can submit only one page saying that it is going on, there is nothing worth a status report. That is good enough for us. But you keep on, and because by that time, if you face any bottleneck or any, at least we will be able to resolve for you in case any need arises.
I request for Friday, my lord, in that case.
So 13th is fixed already.
13th.
There is one matter fixed at 30, my lord, but we are before the chief justice here too.
13th
The other
already
matter,
fixed.
13, that's why we are
13.
keeping it on.
Yes, no.
Very well.
Otherwise, we know that it's very short time and it may not, but there is no such pressure from our side that you do it. And there is nothing to be done in hurry also. You take your time, identify the person, because it doesn't.
You've already done.
Some calculated move. It was not an ordinary emotional reaction by the people. It was definitely a motivated, a pre-planned and something deeply instigated.
Concerted.
So you please identify those persons. We also want to take them to a logical conclusion.
Page 19.
We will not allow this
identified
thing
as
to
some-
happen.
During the 6th April hearing in the Supreme Court of India, the bench led by Justice Surya Kant came down heavily on the West Bengal administration over the Malda Kalyachak incident, where judicial officers were held hostage for hours, calling it a sheer failure of law and order, and even indicating it appeared planned. The court was particularly critical of Chief Secretary Dushyant Nariala for allegedly not responding to calls from the Calcutta High Court Chief Justice during the crisis, rejecting his explanation of being on a flight and stressing that a top bureaucrat must remain accessible in emergencies, ultimately directing him to apologize. While the Director General of Police was also rebuked for failing to control the situation on the ground despite police presence and for possible lapses indicated in reports, prompting the court to order and probe by the National Investigation Agency, with the phone not picked issue emerging as a symbolic breakdown of coordination between the judiciary and executive, delayed response and administrative accountability at the highest level.